Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share a Dollar General and a Dollar Tree haul. So first I'm starting with the Dollar General stuff. I picked up some Studio Selection jumbo cotton balls and some of these cotton rounds. This is just a trial size. You get 30 in there for $1. And Crayola Silly Scents Anti-Cavity Fluoride Toothpaste in the scent Bubblegum. This was $1. And these were $1. And this was $1 as well. And it's the Lever Men's Musky Cedarwood Body Wash. This smells really good. If you like musky, woodsy kind of scents, it smells really nice. And it was 11.5 ounces for $1. Moving on to the Dollar Tree items. Scrub Buddies Nail Guard Sponges. 6-pack. Love these sponges. A roll of aluminum foil. A 25 square foot roll. Lime Away. 16 fluid ounces. Love this stuff for the bathroom. And I picked this up for the kitchen. The Spick and Span Advanced Clean Multi-Purpose Cleaner. And this is also a disinfectant. I always repurchase these items. And Swaddle Complete. This is in the Soothing Lavender scent. And also a repurchase. These are getting smaller for $1.25. They are now 10 loads instead of 12. A new item I found, and I thought this was interesting, but this is the Deodorizing Bathroom Cleaner. And it has concentrated pods, and this is a starter kit. So you get the fill bottle and 2 refills for your bottle, and then they also do sell at my Dollar Tree the refill pods for the bottle, all their own. So a 3-pack of those, and I am interested in trying this. So this quick and easy cleanup for shower and tub. And it's tough on grime and soap scum. So the bottle is a 15 ml bottle. And they had all their Valentine's Day items out. Connor does like the Minions. When I saw these, I thought, perfect. For his class, you get 48 Valentines in here for $1.25, which is not bad at all. And it includes heart seals as well. There's 8 different designs. These are super cute. Did pick up a few more repurchases. The White Rain Moisturizing Conditioner in Coconut and Hibiscus. This is 22.5 fluid ounces. And I picked this up for shaving. This is a repeat purchase. I just loaded a review on this, and it's the Personal Care Green Tea Soothing Cleansing Milk. This stuff was fantastic. I was pleasantly surprised, and this worked amazing. So I picked up another one of those. And then I picked up one of these Be Pure Edge Wax in the watermelon scent. They also had shea butter and coconut scents. I can't wait to try this out. A couple more repeat purchases. This is from Diamond Cosmetics, and it's their Super Dry Quick Dry Top Coat. I love this top coat. I repurchase it all the time. This was a fantastic find. I'm glad that they had the Mango Cuticle Pen back in stock. And it's from Be Pure, and it's just Mango Cuticle Oil Pen. They usually have lavender and this mango scent. They might have some others, but these are the only two I've seen at my store. And I do really like the mango. The lavender gives me a headache, so I won't purchase that one. But the mango is really nice. And I decided to pick up a bright neon orange nail polish from Color Vibe. It says it's got a gel-like shine. Squeeze Me is what this is called. The camera isn't picking up true to color, but this polish is very pretty and going to be perfect for spring and summer. Very pretty. And a couple of other items that I was excited to try. And this is the Be Pure Hydrating Gel Cream. And this is supposed to be comparable to Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. 1.7 ounces. And then in that same kind of line from Be Pure, I found these hydrating facial wipes compared to Neutrogena. And they have hyaluronic acid in them, and you get 25 wipes for the face from Be Pure. And these Be Pure products are usually really nice. So, give these to try. And that is everything I picked up at the Dollar Tree this time, and the Dollar General. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, maybe even some reviews. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you so much for watching.